So mga abe, nandito ako sa airport at meron akong inaabangan. So feeling ko fan din ako ng cat din. So nakikiusi lang ako dito. Tingnan natin kung ano makikita natin dito mga abe. Ha? So nandito ang sandataang lakas ng mga Pilipino. Naabangan namin ng cat din. So tingnan natin at papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga makukunan ko. Hindi ako nagpa-promise kasi mukhang maraming tao at mahigpit ang security. May mga abe, kasama ko pala si Jerome, no? Naabangan din namin si Kat. Kat din last minute. Oh, last minute to. Pare saan ka pa galing?
Galing ano, kuya, galing New York.
Oh, galing din ako New York kanina.
Oh,
kaso, namili lang kami. Sige, excited ka naman? Sige, good luck. Good luck sa atin.
Akala ko Dubai pa tayo. Hi again! Hi again!
Hi! Yung close-in natin silang dalawa.
Hello, hello. Okay.
Ha? Asmas lang po. Pwede na.
Did you watch that?
No, I can't.
Yes.
Later na po. Kita later na po. Go na po. Natatanda mo pa.
Thank you. Okay. Okay. Yes, I got it. Okay.
Mabuhay mga taga Nueva Ecija.
Yes.
Yes! Sorry.
Hi,
Si Joy.
Si Joy.
Saan si Christine?
Christine.
Thank you. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Shout out lang. Okay.
Give Christine some privacy. Yeah.
Feelings your experience, just being here. Welcome back.
And we're very happy and excited to join our kababayans here in Toronto for the screening of Hello Love Again. So we'll make this a worthwhile trip kahit short lang kami dito, and thank you for the support, guys.
Yes, we are back in Canada, so see you sa lahat ng Filipinos nandito. We're all excited to see you tomorrow. I hope you were able to buy your tickets already. Yes, we'll see you tomorrow. Yes. See you tomorrow for the screening. Yes. See you.
Thank you very much.
Okay. Wait.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Ellen, Sonia.
Okay. Okay. Let's go po. Come help po. Thank you. Let's go. Salamat, Kat.
Sorry.
Thank you. Hi, Kat. Thank you.
Tomorrow po.
Guys, congratulations ha.
Salamat.
Okay ha. See you.
We gave the flowers. Pa-picture muna, wala. God, picture muna tayo.
Excuse me po. We have to go na po, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you.
Excuse me po.
Okay.
Excuse me po. Kami nagbigay ng Let's take a picture ka.
Thank you. Thank you po.
Cut one photo, cut.
Excuse po.
Uy, that was you! The tiny one! One for you. Thank you!
Selfie lang kami naman. Kami nagbigay ng puta.
Thank you. Thank you po.
Thank you!
Pahinga kayo, pahinga na kayo. Okay mga abi, kasama ko ngayon si ate. Ate, name mo?
Hi, my name is Girlie. I'm from Montreal.
Okay, so ano ba yung maple syrup na yun na ikwento mo nga,
So
ibinigay
there's
sa'yo?
a story about that maple syrup. So I was in Vancouver. I work as a flight attendant. I waited for them at the arrival gate from Calgary to Vancouver. I had a chance to meet Catherine and Alden by myself because I had the, how do you call that? I had the passes to go inside the airport. So I gave them, I gave her a maple syrup, but then I realized Alden was there too and I had nothing for him, but now I got 5 for all of them, and so yeah, I'm happy.
Okay, so gwapo ba si Alden? Gwapo?
Ay, guwapo, gentleman pa yun. Gentleman.
Okay, so manonood ka ate bukas ng movie?
No, unfortunately not, but I'm expecting to see them before they go back to the Philippines.
Okay, thank you for talking.
Thank you.
Alright mga abe, so ito na yung pang-hassle namin kay Kat Den ngayon dito sa airport ng Toronto.
Hindi namin ito ginagawa eh.
Kaya lang nagkaroon ng opportunity.
Yes,
Kaya
nagkaroon ng insider.
so parang gano'n rin kami, insider na rin kami. Pero at least this is good for the fans, no? At sa mga kayong sumusubaybay sa dalawa.
Ang babait nila.
Ang bait
Yun
nila sa
naman,
fans.
napakabait nila. Yes,
Oo.
yes. Very approachable. Talaga syempre mahigpit yung security, pero ano sila, very, talagang ano sila sa fans, no?
Papansinin, pasensyoso,
Yes,
tawag ng
mahabang
pasensya nila.
Napakabait nila.
Oo, kaya yun lang. So,
Happy.
bukas, expected namin, mapanood namin yung pelikula.
Yes, manonood kami bukas at makikita namin sila ulit bukas.
Oo.
Kasi ang aming ticket is with may appearance nila.
Oo.
Yes.
So, yun lang. At thank you sa pagsama sa amin.
Yes.
Ako po si Kuya JDL, ang inyong lingkod, at si Mrs. JDL. Maraming salamat.
Chuwariwap.
Chuwariwap. Bye-bye.
Bye.